Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you want to view your Ring Doorbell live feed directly on your Amazon FireStick, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to add and access Ring Doorbell on FireStick, step by step. So, let's get started. Method 1. View Ring Doorbell using Alexa on FireStick. The easiest way to view your Ring Doorbell on FireStick is by using Alexa voice commands. Step 1. Link Ring account to Alexa. First, open the Alexa app on your phone. Go to More right-pointing arrow skills and games, then search for Ring. Enable the Ring skill and log in using your Ring account. Step 2. Discover devices. Once linked, tap on Devices right-pointing arrow Discover devices. Wait for Alexa to find your Ring Doorbell. Step 3. Use voice command on FireStick. Now grab your FireStick remote and press the Alexa button. Say, "Alexa, show me the front door." And just like that, your Ring Doorbell live feed appears on your TV. Method 2. Install Ring app on FireStick, indirect method. Currently, Ring does not offer an official FireStick app, but you can still access it using alternative methods. Option 1. Screen mirroring. You can mirror your Android phone or PC screen to FireStick and open the Ring app. Option 2. Silk browser. Another option is using the Amazon Silk browser. Open Silk browser on FireStick. Go to ring.com. Sign in to your Ring account. View events and camera feed. Warning note: live view may be limited in the browser. Conclusion: and that's it. Now you know how to add and watch Ring Doorbell on FireStick easily. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more FireStick tips and smart home guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.